Welcome to Easy Academic Solution. So, if you want to start your dropshipping business, this video is for you. In this video, I am gonna show you how can you start dropshipping business. So, this video will help you to create store like Shopify store or another e-commerce store for dropshipping. And if you haven't seen what is dropshipping, you can see this video in our description. So let's start it. So dropshipping can be done through various medium like Shopify, e-commerce, Wix. So among them we use Shopify for most of the cases because it is very easy to use. So if you want to start dropshipping, you may create Shopify store design, Shopify brand web design, Shopify dropshipping store design. These things are included in our video. So welcome to this video. You may start your dropshipping business by watching this video. This video gonna help you a lot to start your dropshipping business. So at first we'll go to any browser, and in the description or search bar we will search Shopify. So let's search it. This is a PIFY Shopify. Then you may click here. So after that we will open another bar that will help you to create our Shopify store more easily. So we go to another bar and we are searching here Shopify. So search it Shopify partner. Okay, so after that click here Shopify partner. So in this page there are two options like become a partner or to the top sign up. We have to create sign up. So just click it, and after that you may sign in by sign in with Google or sign in with email. We are signing with email. Here we have to put our email address. We are putting our email address and we are hiding our email address for our security purposes. So after putting this email address, we have to create our first name and our last name. Like I'm creating Sushant store. Okay, then we need to put our password right here, and we have to use one small character, one capital character, okay, and one special character for our stronger password. So we are putting our stronger password. After that, create Shopify account. So in this part, how would you like to get started as partner? So here we are create and set up a new partner organization. Okay, so after clicking the first one, what's your main focus of Shopify partner? We are creating build new Shopify store for client. Then next, then where your business located? Then we have to put our address where our business is located. So we are searching for United States. We have to put the state where our business are located. You put yourself any country, any location, no problem. Okay, we are creating New York. And next, here we have to put our business name, in which business name we want to create our Shopify store. So we are writing Sushant store. Then we have to put our email address. We are typing New York, and then we are putting America and city New York. Okay, just put off your address. Then we have to put our postal code. So you have to put your postal code. Okay, just write your postal code, in which postal code you are just search on Google and you may find it easily. So here just you need to put your postal code. Just search it on Google and put it. So we are putting our postal code and create partner organization. So after sign up, new pop-up created and a verification code has been sent to our email address, like Easy Academic Solution, this email address. So if you didn't get any code, you may click recent verification email right there. We are seeing recent verification email. Okay, just click it, recent verification email. So now email has been sent again to our email address. So if we open our mailbox, then we are going verify email, and this things will happen. Your business email is verified. So now our business email is verified by Shopify. Okay, so in this section we are seeing that various things has been opened to this page. So we will teach you how you can create a Shopify store in this video. So you have to go to the store, just click it, and after that we will create a development store. Just click here. After that we have to put our store name. So we are putting our store name like Sushanto store. Okay, and United States online, and is your client currently selling to another platform? Then we are clicking no. Then create development store. So after that this pop-up opened and we have to select our email address. We have selecting Sushanto Rust, our email address. Then this thing has been opened to our site. Then from here our store has been opened, and if we click our online store right here, then it may take some times to load our new store. Then we are clicking it again, view our online store, so it may take some time. Okay, so we are clicking it again. So now see that our store has been created. Okay, Sushanto store, our store name. Okay, so you may customize this page as your wish. So we will give another video how can you customize your store as your wish. Okay, so here we can see the default email has been set done. So if we go down, we can see that there are different theme which are free, and if you want to purchase the premium theme, you may click visit theme store right here. Okay, right there, visit store theme, right click here. Here the premium theme will be shown which you want to buy. So this is for the professional who has already this platform, but if you are beginner, then you may use our default selected theme done. Okay, so this is so expensive, so we don't need to do that. We just use our default theme done. Okay, current theme is done. So if we go home and if we click our online store again, we can see that our store has already okay and it is running perfectly. Okay, and in this section our product will shown. Okay, you may set your currency, price, each and everything, and you may add product and do each and everything to your store. Okay, so we will show you each and everything like payment setup, confirm shipping rate, and add custom domain, each and everything throughout this course. So if you want to see this, just subscribe our channel and we will teach you the Shopify course fully with free of cost. Okay, if you click analyze, you may see here your total sales, your total profit, your total conversion rate, and your total orders, your average order value, each and everything you can see from here. So we will teach you each and everything, and you can see the discount from here and which discount you want to give to your product, and in marketing section you may see your total sales and each and everything. So we will teach you our each and everything through our course. So hope you enjoy our video. Thank you.